Let's do Wudhu, come along today. Clean and ready before we pray.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Left and right, not too tight. 1, 2, 3, splish, splash, splash. Clean little hands in a flash.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Mouth goes swish, rinse it well. Water in swish and tell. Thank you Allah for my food. Now my mouth is fresh and good.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Clean the nose, nose is next. Sniff a bit, water in now. Blow and spit, 1, 2, 3 times we do. Allah loves clean noses too.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Face is next, chin to head. Wash it gently just like I said. Round and round, left and right. My face feels happy, clean and bright.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Arms come now, elbow high. Right one first, then left, oh my. Up and down with water cool. Wudhu is easy, Wudhu is cool.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Now massa, my head to wipe. One wet hand, light not swipe. Front to back, smooth and neat. Allah's way is always sweet.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Ears we clean, round and round, inside, outside, soft and sound. Little ears to hear Quran. Every morning, every dawn.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Wash the feet, feet now wash. Toes to heel, right then left, it's a deal. 1, 2, 3, don't miss the toes. Now I'm done from head to toes.
Hands, hands, wash them right.
Wudhu is done, hooray,